Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Yesterday, Apple released iOS 13 Beta 3 to registered developers, and they also rolled out iOS 13 Public Beta 2 to the public. So if you are on any of those, you got the update. If you're on an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, there is no update for Beta 3 just quite yet. I guess there is an issue or something with it, so they did not roll it out to those devices. Not too many changes or anything like that. Mainly a lot of bug fixes and just there's a few UI things, but I'm not going to go into those because they are very, very, very small. And there are some other videos out there that do the 60 plus, 100 plus changes every time an update comes out. So you can check out one of those if you want to see the small details. There's a couple things in FaceTime, like a thing that makes it look like you're looking at the camera, I guess. Haven't been able to try it out. I don't use FaceTime all that often, but it is in the settings. Not going to go in there because it will show my phone number in the FaceTime settings. They did fix the thing in iMessage where the text bubble or when the bubble when the other person is typing, if you're in dark mode, that is now dark instead of the bright white. So that looks better. A lot of other stuff, like I said, a lot of bug fixes and stuff like that, just making everything a little bit smoother. Some people were complaining about some issues on the iPhone XR with some lag, but I have not experienced that on my XS Max, so I don't know if that is an issue just for that one person or if it is an issue with the iPhone XR. Like I said, a couple people have said that, but I haven't experienced any issues myself. Battery life has been okay. I've been using this for about 12 hours, so I will give you guys the battery life in my follow-up video. But so far, so good on the battery life. Wi-Fi, LTE, everything is working good. No issues, no crashes or anything like that. So no major bugs in Beta 3 thus far. Like I said, I will give you guys more updates on that kind of stuff in my follow-up after I've used it for about a week or two. So you guys can look forward to that, and I will let you know if I have any issues over the course of using this as a daily driver. But so far, so good. Everything else is good. Very small update. Like I said, there are some very small minor changes to like some icons and stuff like that in settings, but really nothing else. No UI changes, no features added or anything like that. Just refining iOS 13 basically for when it comes out in September. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.